Good afternoon, everyone. I seem to be going down the route of tailoring towards Ingersoll. They are quite nice watches to be viewing, to be fair. I enjoy doing them. But on my other videos, I was saying about how some of them have more of a thin box style, some have the more of an actual typical box style like this, and some have got this long cylindrical one. I'm not sure what's which. I don't know how they determine which one to use, but no matter. Let's have a look at this one. So let's look at the outside box. Simple glossy outside cover. Just to sort of, I think it's more just to have that barcode on it. One design flaw with this box is sometimes this outside cover can get stuck in the inside of the glossy part of the outside cover. This part of the box. It's a simple, elegant box. The Ingersoll print in the top, and the box actually just slides out simply like this, revealing a nice leather style pouch box inside. Let's take that out. So, there. Simple sort of the buckle down style finish. Nice line stitching brown going all the way around the side. Nice, it's nice to feel as well. It's got a nice decent gloss effect to it. Inside you've got a chocolate style brown cushion that holds onto that watch. No sort of manual inside there. Slip that in there for now. So here we go, guys. This is the Ingersoll The Delta. It's got a 43mm case diameter with a 40mm case thickness. Retails around about £200. It depends where you get it from, but I got this from Amazon and retailed around about £200 on there. Uses a automatic movement. I couldn't tell you the specifications when I was looking at the website. It didn't really tell me. It weighs probably around about 100, probably around about 200 grams. It's got quite a hefty weight to it. It's got obviously that quite decent hefty size to it as well. So coming down to the face, you've got a sort of full luminous hands going on here, nice and bold. Multiple different subdials here as well. You've got a by the looks of things, you've got dual time. So you've got a dual time tracker similar to the or is it Ingersoll Jazz? That's got a dual time one as well. Got a full view of the automatic movement. We can have a look at what the movement is later when we look around the back. And you've got the, I think that, yeah, you've got it's like a moon dial. You've got tells you when it's obviously daytime, etc. Just an extra bit of touch to the watch. Let's have a look with it under no light. So there's a decent amount of feedback to the crown, but you can hear it's quite audible in terms of how it sounds. So it works in the same sort of way that the Ingersoll The Jazz does. So you rotate it counterclockwise to get the dual time working, and then clockwise to get the main dial sorted out. So you can change this to whatever time you like, and you can change this one to whatever time you like as well, depending on what you want with it. The only problem is you've got hands that operate 2 times at once. It's a simple push down crown, no sort of screw down effect. It just allows you to wind it without having to screw it out and screw it back down. To come down to the casing, it's got a nice sort of Tissot PRX element to it, with that sort of smooth squarish style casing with the circular bezel that sits in it, the circular face that sits inside like a rounded square. Got a full line finish going all around the side of the actual watch. Nice chrome effect on the actual crown as well. Again, line finish is consistent going all around the side. So just a little bit more about sort of the watch. You get a 5 atmospheric water resistance with it. It's a full scratch resistant mineral glass. And you get a lifetime warranty on certain components, I think it is. I think that's most components. Coming down to the strap, according to the specs, it is a ceramic strap. It's a 26mm width strap that is quite hefty, but in terms of changing it, I don't know if you'll be able to, because you can see it's like Lego in here. It's just pieced in. 2 separate sections have gone into it, so I don't think you'll be able to change it. It's got sort of 2 effects to it, as do most straps nowadays. It's got a sort of a brushed effect on the actual main part of the link, and then a polished effect on the little tiny centerpieces that join them up. Coming down to the buckle, it's a double fold over butterfly style buckle, revealing a stainless steel interior component. Nice and standard for that. You can adjust the little links on the sides with little tiny pin and a hammer. So let's come down to the back plate and have a look at the back, as I said I would. So the movement is a 22 jewel, is it? 22 jewel automatic movement. Yeah, you can see that just there. 22 jewel automatic movement. There's debate that these movements come from China. I'm not too sure. I couldn't tell you. I just go by what information I can find online, really, for the watch to tell you about it a bit more. Full screw down crown, full skeleton view of the back of the actual watch. So there we go, guys. That is the Ingersoll the Delta. Sorry, not the Delta, the Broadway.